Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to enable Show Deal Result Dialog on EO Broker account. So first we're going to go to our browser, then search for EO Broker. So once you log in, we're going to click on Trade Now. We also have a login video in our YouTube playlist. Go check them out if you don't know how to log in or sign up. So next we're going to click on Settings button. Then we're going to click on Trading Settings. As you can see, the Show Deal Result Dialog is turned off. So we're going to turn it on. So this is how we do it. So this is an easy step. So once you're done with that, you guys could continue with your trading. I hope you liked this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.